Everyone, so today in this video we are going to discuss about a future consumer. So in the previous videos we have discussed about Trident share, so people have not watched can definitely watch it. So in my previous videos of future consumer I have discussed all the technicals. Okay, I have given two supports. You can see today it has respected that support and it has given the upper circuit. I also updated in the Telegram section that you can also add free tail as well, because today almost all the future shares have opened. So who have added this share can definitely mention the comment section. So in this video we'll discuss the complete picture of a future consumer, even its recent quarter results which were declared. Okay, we'll try to find out the next levels for this particular share. So people have not yet subscribed, so definitely subscribe. So let's get started. So when we see the current market cap is around 2257, and we can see that industry P is 61.75, and current we don't have any PE. So the main disadvantage for this particular company is that only it should report the profits. So once profits will come, then definitely movement will be huge in coming days. And also the debt on this particular company, we also know that on July 15th we know about the Reliance as well as Future Group deal is also present. Okay, so that's why today also almost all the shares have reacted. Okay, now when you can see the deliveries are also almost 92.06%, so very good deliveries are also present. And today you can see almost 11.75 it has hit the upper circuit. We can see. Now let's try to find out the shareholding of this particular company. So when we see the shareholding of the company, you can see that promoters are having a good amount of 45.32%, and we can see pledging has a little bit increased. In the previous videos also I discussed that. So FIs are also having 17.38%, and you can see mutual funds are having 1.23%. Insurance companies as well as financial banks are also having 0.2 as well as 0.04% stakes. Okay, so nothing to worry about this company. If you're having, you can hold it. Only thing is that debt present in the company as well as the pledging on this particular company. Okay, and it should generate profits. So once it will start generating profits, then you can see a very huge movement in this particular company. So that in the previous videos also I have told that only that you need to hold patiently and watch out for the levels. So we'll see, try to find out the levels as well. So when we see the strengths of the company, we can see that effectively using capital to generate a ROCE. So we can see that ROCE improving since last 2 years, a very good thing. And know that increasing profits every quarter for the past 2 quarters. Annual net profits improving for last 2 years, and FIs and FPIs are institutional increasing their shareholding. So FIs are increasing their shareholding. So these are the basic strengths of this company. And next, when we see the weaknesses, so we can see that high interest payments compared to earnings. So almost mutual funds decreased, high PE with negative ROE, promoter decreasing the shareholding. Okay, this one wanted to promoter decreasing the shareholding, and companies with high promoter pledge, and also the debt present on the Future Group. So these are only the main negatives. Don't see the profit thing. So profit will come when these things will reduce, and profit automatically it will be generated. Okay, now currently we can see turnaround companies loss to profit. Okay, it's a loss to profit making company, and rising delivery percentage. So we can see delivery started increasing. It's an indication that even the share price will increase in the future. I also discussed the same pattern on Alok Industries as well, and I've discussed the support of 43 also. The people have not watched can watch that video also. Okay, now let's see the financials of this company, and then we'll see the technicals where we have discussed in the previous video also. So on Sunday 12th July, okay, we have got the quarter 4 results of this. So we can see that loss at 175 crore versus PAT of rupees 8 crore year on year. Income at rupees 947 crore versus 1037 crore year on year. So we can see that both, okay, the loss already, it is a loss making company. Nextly, we can see the income has also reduced if we compare year on year. Okay, so these were the negatives of this company, although they did not give any downward movement, but because all the future shares reacted, it also has given the upper circuit. Okay, it has given respect to the levels, but not to the results. Okay, that you need to keep in mind. Okay, overall the results are negative for this company. Okay, now let's find out the technicals of this share. So before that, when we see the returns, we can see that almost in 5 years minus 27, 2 years 74 negative returns. Almost in 3 months it has given a 82.17% positive returns. Okay, very good returns, because almost past month all these shares were in upper circuit. Now let's see the technicals. So when we see the technicals of this particular company, so let me mark those. So you can see that currently, which in the previous videos we discussed about 10.36 level as well as 13 rupees. So when it broke the 13 rupees level support, so it went to 11, 12, 11 and finally 10. It has taken the final support, that is 10.36. Okay, and again it has started retracing. Okay, what we can see in 1 day chart. So in 1 day chart, let me show you. So in 1 day chart also we can see the same thing, the same support of a 10.36 as well as 13 rupees, which it has given a 13 rupees was not respected. Later a downtrend was there because almost all future shares were also in lower circuit. Now the 10.36 level was respected, and from here it has retraced. Even money flow index is almost flat during the entire week and showed that a possible reversal may happen. Okay, even MACD is also now it's we can say that it's saying that weakness is little bit of a reducing. Okay, even now when we see the market depth also, we can see that almost we can see this much amount of shares is still in buy order. Okay, 93 lakhs, 83 lakhs shares are almost there in a buy order. Okay, so we can say that a high volume has come suddenly because of this future group deal. So if anyone have bought the share, so definitely mention, and if you not yet subscribed, so definitely subscribe. In the next video we'll discuss about another share. So until then, take care, bye bye.